trust and smart metals.
Today, we will be discussing modern luxury steel balcony, railway grille designs that you can choose for your home. Steel balcony railings are not only durable and long-lasting, but they also add a touch of elegance and sophistication to your home. When it comes to choosing the right design for your balcony railings, there are a few factors to consider. You'll want to think about the overall style of your home, as well as the size and shape of your balcony. One popular design choice is the sleek and minimalist steel railings that offer a contemporary look. These designs are perfect for modern homes with clean lines and a minimalist aesthetic. If you prefer a more ornate look, you can opt for steel railings with intricate patterns and designs. These designs add a touch of luxury and sophistication to your balcony, making it a focal point of your home. No matter what design you choose, steel balcony railings are a great choice for any home. They are not only stylish and modern, but they are also durable and easy to maintain. So, if you're looking to upgrade your balcony railings, consider choosing one of these modern, luxury steel balcony, railway grille designs for your home. Your balcony will not only look great, but it will also be a safe and secure space for you and your family to enjoy.